Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, if you are facing this issue, clean is not allowed on disk containing the current boot system page file, crash term or hybrid net volume. So this video is for you. I will show you how we can fix this issue. Basically I want to clean the another unallocated space on my system, this one, but it is not letting me install. How we can do it? Just click on cancel, click yes, click on repair, click on troubleshoot. Now open command prompt again, type the command disk part list space disk, select your this disk, disk 0. Now you can type clean, and if it is still not clean from this USB, that means that you have to use another CD or another DVD, or if you are already using this DVD and it is still showing up, that means that you have to use another CD or DVD or even pen drive.